Are you a software project manager? What kind of project manager are you? There are different project managers. We have civil project managers, we have financial project managers. But today we are going to be looking at software project managers and quality of streets. Basically, we are going to be telling you what you need to know as a software programmer and software developer to manage projects so that your projects don't fail. Now, to start with, why do software projects fail? There are a lot of basic points why software projects fail, and this is a summation of experience. People begin programming before they even understand the problem. You understand? Somebody's trying to tell that, oh, I need you to give me a software that does this, that does that. You don't even take the time to understand what they want in detail. You have not even been able to prepare an SRS document, software requirement specification document, on what the client wants to be achieved. You just jump ahead and start programming. Everyone likes to feel that they are making progress. You just want to show that, yes, I can show you something. But eventually, what you've been able to give, does that really solve the problem? When the team starts to code, as soon as the project begins, they see immediate gains. When problems become more complex, as they always do, the work gets bogged down. These are things that, as a project manager, software project manager, you don't just deal with basic applications like building a website, building an application for communication. We're talking about building enterprise solutions. That's where you separate the wheat from the chaff. That's where you separate students of software project managers, software project management from people that just learn to coding, website designs, and the rest of it all. In best case, a team that begins programming too soon will end up writing good software that solves what? The wrong problem. So it's not all about writing code, it's about understanding the problem that we want to solve. Because the software, as a software engineer, you want to build a product, a software product, and your software product is meant to solve a particular what? So, why do software projects fail? The team have an unrealistic idea and how much work is involved. In my entire life, I've been part of different software projects, and I've seen a lot of people that are very unrealistic with the ideas that they have, and also the timeline is also very low. Far away, most complex problems seem simple to solve. Like yesterday I was talking about, if you ask anybody who can drive a car, you say, I can drive a car. It's not just to put the car, start the car, put the gear and press something. But sincerely, when they give you the car, you understand that it's beyond that. You understand? You have to learn how to even start the car. There are some cars that will not just start if the gear is not in park. So basically, usually when we talk about software projects, people just think because you need to build one simple application, it means you can jump into an entire software project. Teams can commit to imagining deadlines by being overly optimistic and not thinking through the work. I've seen this happen a lot, especially with our generation. A lot of people just say, I just got a software project and I've agreed on the price and I've agreed on the time. And the honest truth is, it's not the same person that's going to do the front end and back end. It's not even going to do the UI UX. And you've just agreed on behalf of an entire team that you deliver a project in a week or two, or in a month, or in 3 months. Apparently, when it now comes back to you, then the team starts saying, my front end will take 1 month, my back end will take 2 months, and there's already a problem. So I usually advise, as a good project manager, software project managers, when you meet up with a client to discuss on software project, come back to your team and analyze the problem and define a clear and simple solutions and understand the workforce that is needed to execute that project, and understand the resources that is needed to execute that project, and understand the timeline that is needed to execute that project. Then your project will not fail. But if these things are not religiously adhered to, believe me, there's no better way to say it. I usually say